The Unify Service Unit Community or Neighborhood Dashboard is a simple solution for users to manage the Fall Product Program. Users have all their tools in a single software to monitor, encourage, and support each troop. The burger menu in the top left corner provides an easy-to-navigate list of different components you'll access throughout the sale. The My Info menu option provides your contact details and login information to Unify. This is where service unit users can change their passwords and update their contact information. From the Delivery menu option, you'll have the ability to edit delivery station details based on permissions set by your council. Access to view and print Girl, Troop, and Service Unit product and Girl Reward delivery tickets are found here. The Financials menu allows you to see financial transactions that are recorded for each troop. You may also have the ability to add or edit troop banks or add or edit troop deposits based on permissions set by your council. At Manage Orders, you'll be able to add or edit product orders and Girl Rewards for each of the girls within the service unit by the council deadline. Direct shipped items and girl delivered items, if applicable, are automatically added to each girl's order. Messaging allows you to email one or more troops within the service unit. You can also post notes that appear when troop users log in to Unify. From My Creation, service units can build their own My Creation with all categories unlocked and the ability to earn, if applicable, their very own My Patch creation at the council set level. From Rosters, you'll have a Service Unit tab where you can see all the service unit users with accessibility to role designation. Ability to edit service unit details and or assign additional service unit users is based on permissions set by council. From the Troop tab, service unit users can see all the troop users with accessibility to role designation. Ability to add troops, edit troop details, and or assign additional troop users is based on permissions set by council. From the Girl tab, service unit users can see all the girls within the troops. Ability to edit, add, and or delete girls is based on permissions set by council. From the Transfers menu option, service unit users can transfer products between girls or between girls and the troop cupboard, if applicable, before the Girl Reward order is placed by council. Troop cupboard to troop cupboard and service unit cupboard to service unit cupboard transfers of product is based on permissions set by your council. The Reports menu option gives you access to service unit, troop, and girl level reports. Selecting the Switch Role menu option allows you to switch between dashboards for which you have been given access. All dashboards are accessible from one email address. If you have more than one service unit or troop, you can change between service units and troops under this menu. If you have one or more girls in Girl Scouting, you can also access the Girl dashboards. The trefoil icon allows you to view service unit sales stats, messages from your council product manager, view the nut order taker, access council program information, see online council trainings, and view nutritionals. The calendar icon allows you to see important upcoming girl, troop, and service unit dates and deadlines. Everything you need to support your troop and service unit can be found in your Unified Service Unit dashboard. We hope you have a successful product program season. When selecting rosters from the burger menu, you'll be directed to the roster for your service unit. Your council may call a service unit a community, neighborhood, or other title, but for purpose of this training, it will be called a service unit. You'll also be able to access a listing of troop users for each troop, as well as girls in each troop. Service unit users will have check marks next to their name indicating the role in which they hold within the service unit. The different roles include Product Manager, Delivery Station Manager, Paperwork Manager, and Reward Manager. Within each service unit, you can have one or more product managers, one delivery station manager that's managed under delivery in the burger menu, one paperwork manager, and one reward manager. When you click on the Troop tab, you are directed to a page with a listing of each troop to the left. When the troop is selected, it's highlighted in blue, and the users for that troop are listed on the right. Each of these troop users are assigned to either the product manager or troop leader role, or both. You can search for a specific troop in the search box at the top. If your council grants permission, you may also be able to add a troop and or add additional troop users for a troop as well. When you click on the Girl tab, you're directed to a page where you can search for a troop and or a specific girl. Each girl is listed with her service unit, troop number, and membership ID number. Your council may also grant you permission to edit girls by clicking on the pencil icon or to add a girl to a troop by clicking on the Add Girl button. Use the Rosters tab to keep updated on Unify users at the service unit, troop, and girl levels, and registered Girl Scouts within the council. From the burger menu, you can access the messaging page. From the messaging page, there are 3 tabs: Send emails, Post messages, and Email records. From the Send emails page, you can type an email to send to troop leaders, product managers, all parents, and all girls. You must select a recipient to send the email. There are predefined recipient lists from which you can choose to send emails as well. Several of these options will direct and allow you to choose select individuals identified with the phrase in parentheses, choose on next screen. Recipients of your email can reply to the email they receive from you, with the reply coming to the email you used to log into Unify. From the Post Messages page, you can add a message that troop users will see upon their next login. You can select the date that the message will stop showing for troop users. You type your message on the small post-it note, and when you have completed your message, select Post. If multiple posts have been missed by a troop since their last login, there's a fuchsia circle on the Girl Scout information trefoil indicating there are posts waiting. From the Email Records page, you can see a listing of the emails you have sent to date. Be sure to use the messaging throughout the program to keep your troops updated on program specifics, meeting dates, and upcoming deadlines. From the burger menu, there's a Manage Orders option. Your council may call a service unit a community, neighborhood, or other title, but for purposes of this training, it will be called a service unit. The Manage Order screen provides a listing of all troops in your service unit. If you hover your cursor over a specific troop's number, you'll see a quick recap of each troop's progress to date. To the left of each troop's number are a pencil, envelope, and phone icon. Clicking the pencil will allow you to view troop orders or edit the troop's order until orders are submitted. Clicking the envelope icon will open an email within the Unify system in which you can email the troop leader or troop product manager. Clicking the phone icon will call the troop leader or troop product manager. You'll also be able to see each troop's order status, submitted or not submitted. If you need to unsubmit a troop's order, you can click the undo back arrow next to Submitted. You can click on the Order Details button, which will open the S1 report showing you order details for each of the troops within your service unit. By clicking the pencil next to a troop and then next to a girl's name, you will be directed to that girl's order page, where you can change the amount of product ordered until the deadline to submit. After a change is made, be sure to click Save and Continue. If you do not make any changes, the Save and Continue button will not be active or clickable. If you do not need to make a change and have clicked to edit a girl's order, simply navigate to another area within the service unit dashboard and do not click the Save and Continue button. At the top of the screen, there will be a listing of important deadlines. Once your council has submitted the order to Ashton Farms and QSP, troops will be able to transfer product if necessary. If you click on the Activity button, an Excel report will show you any transfers of product in and out of the troops within your service unit, should there be any. If you have any other questions, be sure to contact the person that oversees the program for your service unit. Nut and candy items are delivered to the delivery station address in Unify to the delivery station manager identified. Girl rewards are delivered by UPS in bulk to the individual designated in Unify as the rewards manager. You'll likely want to separate the products and rewards by troop and even possibly by girl. From this section, you'll have the ability to view, print, or email the nut and candy delivery tickets and reward delivery tickets for any or all troops, as well as any or all girls. To select a specific troop, click the drop-down menu next to troop. To select a specific girl, select her troop number and then select the girl's name from the drop-down menu next to girl. This is an example of a troop's delivery ticket available under the Nut and Candy Delivery Ticket section. Under the Reward Delivery Tickets, you can view the reports usually referred to as the T2 Troop Order Rewards or the G2 Girl Order Rewards. The fields are defaulted to include all troops and girls, but you can select a specific troop or girl using the drop-down boxes to make a selection. Troop users in Unify will have access to the G2 Girl Order Rewards for their troop members from the delivery section under the burger menu of the troop dashboard. These reports are also available under Reports from the burger menu. Additionally, the T1 Troop Rewards and G1 Girl Rewards reports are available in the Reports section. These reports are the same as the T2 and G2, except they are in Excel rather than PDF. Girl rewards are delivered by UPS in bulk to the individual designated in Unify as the reward manager. You'll likely want to separate the rewards by troop and even possibly by girl. From the delivery section, you have the ability to view, print, or email the rewards delivery tickets for any or all troops, as well as any or all girls. The reports here are usually referred to as the T2 Troop Order Rewards or the G2 Girl Order Rewards. The fields are defaulted to include all troops and all girls, but you can select a specific troop or girl using the drop-down boxes to make a selection. Troop users in Unify will have access to the G2 Girl Order Rewards for their troop members from the delivery section under the burger menu. These reports are also available under Reports from the burger menu. Additionally, the T1 Troop Rewards and G1 Girl Rewards reports are available in the Reports section. These reports are the same as the T2 and G2, except they are in Excel rather than PDF. When selecting reports from the burger menu, you'll be directed to the reports that are available for your service unit. Your council may call a service unit a community, neighborhood, or other title, but for purposes of this training, it will be called a service unit. On the reports page, you'll have access to service unit reports, troop reports, girl reports, and financial reports. These reports are downloadable in PDF or Excel, or both in some instances. The first option is to select the campaign year you would like. For the first year of Unify, only 2018 will be available. There are several service unit level reports that will show you overall information for your service unit. The sales summary by service unit is a great report to look at your overall service unit participation, averages, and total sales. The S1 Service Unit Nuts, Candy, and Mags report shows you an even more detailed breakdown of the sales information for your service unit. From the top right-hand box, you'll have the option to apply a filter down to a specific troop. Reports that only appear at the service unit level cannot be accessed if a troop is selected from the filter. These reports will have a note indicating to remove the optional filter to run the report. Additionally, some of the girl reports require a filter to run the report. A note indicating to select a troop will appear below these report names. One other final helpful report is the T2 Troop Order Report. The T2 Troop Order Report is a summary of the total product by troop to be delivered to the girls' customers. The T1 Troop Order Nuts, Candy, Mags, and More shows the same information in an Excel document. There are a variety of other reports available here as well for you to keep track of service unit, troop, and girl results throughout the program.